How we divide? For division we cancel the decimal. It means decimal should be brought here. So we will multiply it by 100, 10 to the power 2. 100 is 10 to the power 2. So it will become here what will become 13 power 1 by 946 into 10 to the power 13. 2 power 10 to the power 2 will be used for multiplication. And one more thing, that 1 is smaller than this one, so we can multiply it also by 1000. 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 10 to the power 3 by 10 to the power 3. Then here it will come 1000, and here it has come 946 into 10 to the power 16. Okay. Now what we are going to do? We are going to divide 1000 by 946. Here written 1000, and here we are dividing 1000 by 946. One time we are dividing 946. It is coming 4, here 5, there is cancel, 0 is coming. So it is smaller than 1. So we will put 0 here, and then it will come 1 0 here. So it will be divided by, I think 6 times is greater than this one. 9 6 is 54. So 5 times we will use to divide this one. Okay, 5 6 is 30, 5 4 is 20, plus 3 23, 5 9 is 45, or plus 2 47. What is the here remaining part? Remainder we will not decide. Here is the main part that we have obtained. What we have obtained? 1.05. We have obtained 1.05. Okay, 1.05, and 10 to the power 16 will go upside. It means on numerator, then its power will be negative, become negative. So here it has become 10 to the power minus 16. Actually this is nearly 1, so we will neglect this one. For very long distance, light year, it is very long distance, so we will not pay attention on this value. Directly we will write 10 to the power minus 16. Okay, this is the answer, leap year, and here we will put 10 to the power minus 16. Okay, this has become the solution of this problem. Dear students, as I have told you, you can put your problem on my address rcfe_yt on Instagram. I can consider on your problem, and I can solve the problem for you to get success in any top entrance exams. Okay, JEE mains exam also you can qualify if you are working sincerely under the guidance of RCFE. Now the next question for you is coming number C question. Okay, C. What is the question number C? I think you have understood, you have read your book, but for your convenience I am writing the question. Okay, this is the question. 3.0 meter per second square is equal to dash kilometer per hour square. How we can obtain the value here? It is also not difficult. This is an easy question. How? Firstly, we will consider on this topic since 3.0 meter per second square. This will be written as, if we change the meter into kilometer, we have to divide by 1000. So it will become 1000 means 10 to the power 3. It will become 10 to the power 3. Now it has become kilometer, and per hour means here second, per second square given means per second into per second. So it is coming how? Okay, how we are going to solve this question? Very simple thing, only pay attention for a moment, you can understand. 3 by 10 cube, and kilometer it is coming. This one per second. Per second means what? It means we can convert into hour. So 1 second can be converted into hour. It means 3600 we have to multiply. 3600 means 3.6 into 10 to the power 3. Why I am writing this one? Because we are trying to solve this question scientifically. By the method of science we are solving. So this has become 10 to 10 power cube. It has become hour, and per hour it has become, and again 3.6 into 10 to the power 3. It has become also hour per hour. It has become kilometer per hour square. Now 10 to the power 3 will be cancelled. Now we are going to do the multiplication. 3.6 into 3.6 into 36 into 36 square we have achieved earlier 1296. So it will become 3 into 1 2.96. Okay, by here 96 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, if we are multiplying this one, we will get 3 6 is 18, 3 9 is 27, 1 28, 2 12 is 36, plus 2 38. Okay, this has become 10 cube. Okay, kilometer per hour square, kilometer per hour square, per hour, kilometer per hour square. Now scientific notation will come here. This will become here 3.8. Finally we will write 3.9 and 10 to the power. This will 1 increase, then 4 kilometer per hour square. This is the answer we have to put here. 3.9 into 10 to the power 4. Okay, I think you have understood this question. For better explanation, you can find me on Instagram, as I have told you in my address. Just in this explanation in the middle, you can thoroughly watch the explanation. You can find my address to be found me on Instagram. Okay, this is the question for us to solve. This is the question for us to solve. How we are solving this question? Let us start. Okay, firstly you should consider that here G means gravitational constant. It is the value of G found out very earlier. Okay, by our great by the great scientist. You, I think, know the name. Okay, so how we are going to solve? We will take this value and we will proceed, and then we will get this one very easily. Only pay attention fully sincerely, you should pay attention with your notebook and pen. You should keep with you, and you can understand this one very easily. Since G is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Okay, here 6.67 will be written, 10 to the power minus 11 will be written, and Newton is the unit of force. Okay, I will remind you that Newton and dyne are both the unit of force, but dyne is the very, very smaller unit of force, and we will consider here centimeter given. So centigram, CGS system, we have to remember CGS system, centigram, centimeter gram second system. So in CGS system, the Newton will be replaced by dyne. So 1 Newton, it means suppose so many Newtons are here, so it will be converted into dyne. So in 1 Newton, rough for you I am writing that 1 Newton is equal to 1 lakh dyne. It means 10 to the power 5 dynes. Okay, so I will write here 10 to the power 5. Okay, dynes, and meter square. Meter will be converted into centimeter, because centimeter we are going to find the value. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. It means 10 square centimeter. So 10 square 2 times. Here it will be written 10 square. Again we will put a square. This has become centimeter square, and kg is also given. Okay, so here it is coming kg. Kg will be also into gram. 1 kg means 10 to the power 3 gram. It means 1000 gram. So here we will write 10 to the power 3 and minus 2 power given, so its power will be also here minus 2, okay, because it is in the denominator minus 2, and then it has become per gram, okay, square. Then what is coming? 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. See here very easily 5 plus, so here 5 will be plus, base same, 2 to the 4, it will be also plus, and here 3 to the 6 minus 6, here minus 6 will come, and final it is coming here dyne. So dyne will be replaced with it means one more rough for you. One dyne is equal to what? Gram, 1 gram centimeter per second square. This is the unit for dyne. So we will write here what? Gram centimeter per second square, okay, for dyne, and centimeter square is given here, and per gram square is given here, okay. So here it is coming 6.67 into 10 to the power what? 5, 4, 9, 9 minus 6, 3 will be added to minus 11, it will become 10 to the power minus 8, okay. Or gram centimeter square as centimeter 1 power and 2 power, it will become centimeter power 3 cube is coming, and then per second is also coming here. Minus 2 I have not write here, we will write second square, it will come upside, it means on the in the form of numerator it will become per second square, okay. And gram per gram also coming, minus 2 power and plus 1 power, minus 2 plus 1, this becomes minus 1, so it is coming per gram, okay. So this has the answer, same unit given here, so the answer has come 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 8, 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 8. This is the solution of this question. I think you have understood. If you have any doubt, you can find me on Instagram on the address I have told you in the middle. So I have to tell you that everything will be available on my RCFE, it means Rational Concept for Education. Everything will be available. It means subjects mainly science first of all will be made available, and then other things will be made available, okay. Thanks for paying your attention to get success in your life. It means you will surely be successful in your life by understanding the explanation given by RCFE, okay. Today, thanks.